Asia Guide, Travel with Glen. Asia is the largest and most populous continent, offering diverse cultures, rich history, stunning landscapes, and bustling cities. Asia consists of numerous countries and regions, including China, India, Japan, South Korea, Thailand, Vietnam, Indonesia, Malaysia, and Singapore. The continent is incredibly diverse in terms of culture, religion, and traditions, with major religions such as Buddhism, Hinduism, Islam, and Confucianism shaping different countries. Asia boasts a wealth of historical sites and ancient civilizations, such as the Great Wall of China, the Taj Mahal, Angkor Wat, and the historic city of Kyoto. The continent is blessed with breathtaking natural landscapes, including the Himalayas, stunning beaches, rice terraces, lush rainforests, and serene rural landscapes. Asian cuisine is renowned for its flavors and diversity, with each country offering its own signature dishes and street food culture. Asia is known for its dynamic cities that blend tradition with modernity, such as Tokyo, Seoul, Beijing, Shanghai, Hong Kong, and Singapore. The continent is home to vibrant and colorful festivals throughout the year, showcasing its rich cultural heritage and traditions. Asia has well-developed transportation networks, but travel times and infrastructure can vary significantly between countries. While Asia is generally safe for travelers, it's important to be aware of local customs, etiquette, laws, and to respect religious sites and traditions. English is commonly spoken in major cities and tourist areas, but learning a few basic phrases in the local language can enhance your travel experience. Research and plan your trip based on the specific countries and regions you wish to explore in Asia.